Okay, so we got these LasFit light bulbs in. Take a look. See if these do exactly what they say they're gonna do. I drive Uber on the weekends, and I seem to be going through my blinkers like all the time. It's crazy. Let's take a look here. There they are. It's for a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. So what I want to do is I want to take a look here on my computer, which I'll go to LasFit's website. Because I forget, because they're very similar as far as the way that they look. And we're going to select make, Hyundai, Sonata. By the way, I have my gimbal up just on my desk, so I'm sorry for being so close, but 2018 LED bulbs, I have LED headlamps, location, front turn signals. Let's search. Okay, so says the front ones are the 1157s. All right, so these they have, there's different ways to look at them, and the rear are an all amber, and the front have clear and amber. So these are going to be the front. So what do you say we go ahead and let's go put these on. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can take these and put them on and see what happens. Try not to touch the glass. Now, I've heard some people say don't touch the LEDs because of the oils, but you really don't have to worry about that. They are LED bulbs, they are not glass, so they are not going to shatter with the oils from your hands. Now, the reason I did a lot of research on these was because you want to make sure you get something that's called hyper flash, which means, well, if you've, come on up, buddy, track my face. If you've ever had a car and the blinkers are getting ready to go out, well, you'll notice that you get where the blinkers flash really fast. You know what? You know what I think? I think we're going to go ahead and turn my hazards on real quick, just see if these are on before I go any further. Well, no hyper flash. Hey, you know what? Let's flip this around. So, as you can see, the right side That's the LED bulb. That's the standard bulb. Notice a big difference, and there is no hyper flash. Like now we'll change out bulb number 2. It's nice and bright. Okay, now it's time to change out the rear. I'll be honest with you. I've not done the rear of them for a long time. So we're gonna just give this a shot. I think it's easy. Yeah, it's easy. Yep. Leaky bulb. Hot motherfucker. Ooh. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, that's a big ass difference. Yeah, that's a big difference. I'm gonna go kill the other one. Hang tight. Oh, let's go ahead and put this thing back together. You know, I just realized something. I just slammed the front, I just shut the front hood of my car. And I left the bulbs, the actual bulbs, right there. Where I think if I go pop my hood, I might have a bunch of broken glass. Well, why don't we go check that out and see? Oh, I think I got lucky. One piece. All right, so They're all in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pardon me, but it's a little bit hot out here in East Texas. I know you got the sun shining on you. That looks nice and bright. Those are LED. Nice and bright. Gotta get a new cover for my mirror. Oh boy. And yeah, my license plate's in there. No big deal, don't care. Can you tell which one is which? This is in the daytime too. Big difference. All right, so let's try the hazards. Hear the sound? Click, clack, click, clack, normal sound. Now let's take a look at what we've got. We got the LasFit bulbs installed. They work great. I don't think I could have asked for anything better. They're pretty well made, and the customer service was fantastic with those guys. I accidentally sent them to the wrong address and made a phone call, and they said, "Yep, sent wrong address. They're coming back to us. We're going to send them out." They didn't wait. They didn't even wait for the bulbs. You know, most of the time when you have something going back, they're waiting for their product to come back before they ship you the other one. They just said, "No, here." And they got it to me within a couple days. They were super easy to install. Anybody can install these bulbs. I mean, you could be the least mechanically inclined person, and you can install these. They're super bright. They're gonna last a long time, being that they're LEDs, and you're not gonna have to deal with the changing of the blinker bulbs. Now, it is specifically made for certain cars, but I'll tell you what, that company LasFit, this company right here, LasFit, go to lasfit.com. I'll put a link in the description of this video to where to go. And if you want LED bulbs on your car, they've got all the inside, the outside, you name it, they've got it. So there's no questioning if it works, because the blinker bulbs are kind of a oddball type of thing to put on your car. Most of the time you have to if you research it, you don't just buy a blinker bulb. You're buying a blinker bulb and something else to keep it from doing that hyper flash. So this is one of those few companies that offers it, and it's just plug and play, boom, you're good to go. But as of now, I would give these excellent review. I haven't really tested them. You saw I just put them on. We will see how long they last. And if they last, and they're priced well. So if they last a long time, that's awesome. Because the rest of my lights on the front and the rear, that's the only bulbs in the front and rear that are not LED were the blinkers. You know? So, but yeah, if you want to up your game and you want to get headlight bulbs, blinker bulbs, interior, I highly recommend you get interior light LED bulbs for your car. It's very simple to change those out, but you will see night and day inside of your car. Night and day. It takes it from like the halogens kind of make it give it it's like a dingy yellow, and these turn and LEDs are a bright white, and it's the difference between looking like a place that had been smoked in versus never smoked in. It's a huge difference. So that's it. That's all for the review. But yeah, I mean, LasFit, give them a shot. Thanks.